detox actually work? And how frequently should we be detoxing? How do toxins leave our body? How does that work?
Yeah, we actually did a clinical study on this a number of years ago with Dr. Homer Nazaran and Dr. Sherry Greenberg. And what we wanted to look at was what would happen if someone was using the glutathione patch 5 days a week versus 7 days a week. So glutathione is what's known as a chelating agent. Chelation is a Latin word, and it means claw. And the glutathione attaches to the toxin and then removes it through the lymphatic system. It's very important to have a diet that's rich in fiber because fiber will also carry these toxins away. But it's kind of like a claw going in chemically and attaching to these toxins and pulling them out. Glutathione has been used for decades in hospitals as a way to remove mercury and other heavy metals, but it's probably the most well-known for its ability to remove excess mercury from the body. So we did this clinical study, and to everyone's surprise, we found out that the results of using the glutathione patch 7 days per week was about twice as effective as using glutathione only 5 days per week. And what this really said to us is that we're being exposed to toxins daily. So we really need a daily strategy for dealing with these toxins. It's not something that you can do once a month. This is something that we all have to be very proactive about on a daily basis for optimum health.
Wow. So do you, I mean, I'm jumping the gun here a little bit, but with our specific patch, do you think that's something we should be using every day to assist with what you just discussed?
Now, not necessarily,
Okay.
because our other patches will help to preserve the body's levels of glutathione. So this is something that's highly individualized. So if someone was leading a lifestyle where they were drinking daily, maybe smoking, which I wouldn't recommend, if they were intentionally introducing things into their body that should not be there, or certainly not be there in excess, then they might want to use the glutathione patch daily. But if not, using the glutathione patch once or twice a week is okay, because our patches such as X39 and Eon, we have demonstrated that they will give a mild increase in glutathione. So the difference would be about 30 to 40% increase with X39 or Eon versus 300% for the glutathione patch. So that's a significant enough difference to say use glutathione when you really want to detox, or if you have a lifestyle that's more conducive to that. Otherwise, you don't have to use it as often.